Lumapit na, ikikis ka na. Ay, baka ikulong ako. Oh, Mr. Officer. I'm giving you a lot of time, sir, to comply to me. But why? Why you don't comply to my RP? You always pushing me away. I want you to comply also.
Ulit mo. Pakulong ka na. Kulong mo na yan, officer. Kulit eh.
I won't leave, so I just can't dance. Now you can jail me. Disrespecting you.
Kulong mo na yan. Kulong mo na. Kulong mo na yan, officer.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Nangakasar pa eh.
Okay, go on. Just count on. You can't count. Like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there.
Kulit mo, love.
Yeah, that's what I need. Cop.
Tagay ko pa bang kukulong dito?
Check my passport. I don't have any violation, but I know you can put it as of now. Okay, just arrest me. Go. Let's go on jail. Come on.
Bye. Hello, love.
Hello, we're gonna doing lots of TVs.
Asan na yung pagkain ko?
Mr. Officer, I want you to know. If I have a baby, ikaw ang ninong.